Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an art mannequin. Now, art mannequins are really great tools to help you draw, especially when you're trying to draw someone and put them in a specific pose. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. And you want to start up here, and the head is just kind of like an oval shape. And except at the bottom of it, it's going to be a little bit rounder and not so pointy. Next, right in here, you want to draw a line that goes down on each side, and then just kind of straight across for the neck. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come down, and then same thing here, just kind of go out, and then come down, and then just a little line that goes straight across. Then right here, I'm going to draw two lines that go down, and then a line that goes straight across for the waist. And then a line that goes down here on each side, just kind of curves down. And then it's just going to go straight across. Now, let's start with the legs. So right here, I'm going to add a circle shape on each side, kind of like a half circle. I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve out and then in. And then same thing here, just kind of curve out and then just come back in. Add a little circle shape right here for the knee area. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve out and then in, out and then in. Same thing here, out and in, out and in. Little kind of oval shape at the bottom. And then I'm just going to draw a line that kind of curves around like this for a foot, and then one that does the same thing over here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little circle shape like this, and then a little circle shape like this for the shoulders. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out and then in, and this one I'm going to kind of start here and just go down. Same thing here, I'm going to start right here, go out and in for the top of the arms. Little circle shape, kind of right where the elbow is going to be. Then just like a little oval shape right here, and then another little oval shape right here. Then you're going to put a small oval at the end of each one, and then just kind of like a pointed egg-shaped oval at the bottom for the hands. And there you go. There is your drawing of an art mannequin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.